Welcome back, guys, to this new video, and it is your boy once again, Legit Pro, back with another video. We are looking at NASDAQ 100. This is the top down analysis of NASDAQ 100, and for now we're on the weekly time frame, and we can see here that we had a bit of a rejection, and we want to see what actually happened. And as I look clearly into the market, I can see that we had a lacuna candle. It's just some terms of the smart money concept, which is over here, the lacuna candle, and that's where actually the market turned. So we had a lacuna candle over there, guys. Let's just go to our daily time frame. On our daily time frame, we can see that the market has already shifted to the upside. We have our daily high, which will be our first take profit, because as you can see, the momentum is bullish. The momentum is bullish, guys. The momentum is bullish. But you must know that NASDAQ 100, most of the time, it takes only one direction per day. But yet again, what we must be careful of is that we must always secure our profit. It's either we take partials and continue with the 50% running, and we place our stop losses at our entry points, or that's how actually NASDAQ can be. So guys, now we are on the H4 time frame. Let me fix all these things right now. Okay, we are on the H4 time frame, guys. Right now we are on the H4 time frame, and on the H4 time frame we can see that the market has shifted to the upside and came about to this point to mitigate the point of interest that we have right here. So the market mitigated the point of interest over this point, and it's going up. And over here we had a break of structure, as you can see, guys. So it mitigated and it is still going up. So let's just go to our H1 time frame. But firstly, let's just have our H4 lows and our H4 highs. We have our H4 low and our H4 high. Then let's just go to our H1 time frame. If you can zoom in very well on our H1 time frame, we can see that the structure has moved up and came down a bit and pushed to the upside. Then we also can see that we have some bit of a point of interest over to this point and just mitigated right now, guys. As you can see, we had a point of interest onto that point. So let's just adjust this point. Perfect, guys. So let's just change a bit of colors onto this part and make it a bit of blue. Okay, then let's just go to our M15 time frame, guys. Going to our M15 time frame, I can clearly see some equal highs over to this point. Over here I can see some equal highs, guys, meaning that liquidity is lying over to this point. And so we are waiting now for the market to break this equal high and come and mitigate the point of interest that will come out of this point. Okay, so let's just go to our H5 time frame, where as you'll see the equal highs very clearly. Perfect. As you can see, now we have our equal highs very clearly. So now what we are basically waiting for is to actually for the market to break. After the break of the market, it will come back to mitigate a point of interest. The point of interest that we might be waiting for to be mitigated, it might be this one. I'm not saying it is the one, but it might be this one, because we have to wait for the market to first play out. Then if it's this one, guys, we will be taking our trade from over to this point. We'll be taking our trade over there, and our stop loss can be just down over here. Our first take profit can be over here, which we're securing 1:3 risk ratio, and our second take profit can be over here, guys. So this can be a very good swing trade that we can take on NASDAQ 100, securing 1:8 risk ratio, which will be one of the great trades that we will be taking on NASDAQ 100. And with a bit of confirmations of some retail, we can also see that we have some downtrend over here. Okay, so let's just do this. So we're basically waiting for what? For a break over here. So we'll be waiting for the break of the trend line. As you can see now, the market is still running. We'll be waiting for the break of this trend line to the upside a bit, right, at least over to this point, then getting back, creating another equal high with this point, and getting back down inside to mitigate the point of interest and also give us a retest of the break. Then we'll be taking it to the upside. We know that with this trend line over here, there's liquidity lying outside this trend line. There's liquidity lying over there, and also liquidity has been cleared also by this week, but the market is still running. So we have a bit of confirmations to that point. And as you can see, guys, on the H1 time frame, the market has been on the bullish momentum. As you can see, our buy, our correction, buy, you can see a mitigation of that correction. This can be some sort of a Whyckoff schematic and a mitigation, then go into the upside. We have to break this level to the upside. Then because also liquidity is lying over there, then we have some liquidity over this point again. We can see a very good part over here, whereas liquidity is lying just over this point. Liquidity is lying over here, then we're expecting the market to just go up to the upside, guys. So this is the analysis of the Nasdaq 100 market. We can see we have a bit of imbalances over here, inefficiencies that must be filled by the market. So we have a bit of more confirmations, and if you can touch onto the volumes, we can bit of a see that the volumes are a bit higher, but not yet so much clear over here, because this is the Nasdaq market. So the volumes are not that much high, and we can clearly see, guys, this is the market analysis, top down analysis of the Nasdaq 100 market. So we started from the weekly time frame by seeing our lacuna candle, which is we use it as only our continuation. As you can see, guys, from over here, like, guys, we've been going up from over to this point. You know, we've been going up, and lacuna candles appears, and we take trade of lacuna candles in a form of what? In a form of scaling in onto the trades. So this is in a form of scaling in, and we went down to our M5 time frame, which this is where we saw our beautiful entries. On our H5 time frame, we have our equal high. So we're just waiting for all those kind of stuff to be filled, the ones that I was telling you guys about. Then we are on, and this is our new point of interest. As you can see, this candle engulfed this one. So now the market is still going up. We're expecting the market to break the equal highs. Then we are good to go, guys. We're just good to go. So, guys, it is your boy once again, Legit Paul. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also share it with your friends and family. And also, I would like to thank you guys very much for the 700 followers on my Instagram page. Please, if you haven't followed my Instagram page, please do follow it, and please join the Telegram group. All links are down on the description, guys. Please, guys, and I thank you very much for hitting that 75 subscribers on YouTube. And also, we have reached about 1,700 views, and I appreciate it a lot, guys. More content are coming. I'll be teaching more about other blogs, and I'll be teaching more about many other stuff. So I'm creating something for you guys, but please be patient with me. So thank you guys for watching this video till the end. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because it's about to get heated, it's about to get fire, it's about to be lit, guys. It's just about to be lit. This is the best. It's a community which I help and I educate you guys for free. So please, guys, do the most. And I'm signing out. It is your boy once again, Legit Paul. Yes, sir.